This is for the Sopranos, and this is Blow Blow Thou Winter Wind. Starting from the beginning, this is from your entrance, this is your starting pitch. You'll hear it right before your starting pitch in the piano line. The piano line will be playing as follows. And then, it's that upper note as your pitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off, and off. 1, 2, off, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Two and off, and next part, letter D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off, and 2. 1, 2, off, and basses freeze. Freeze, thy bitter sky, altos freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, soprano. And 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 1. One, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Thank you, Sopranos.